How to find my Ortel phone number on Germany. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how you can find the Ortel phone number on Germany. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's begin with the video and make sure to watch this video till the end in order to know about the process. So in order to find your Ortel phone number in Germany, you just need to follow some steps. You can dial the toll-free number on my screen that I'm showing on my screen right now. That is 0800 9377 546. You may just contact this toll number and ask them your phone number very easily. You can also use the Ortel Mobile App, which is easily available on Google Play Store, and you may just install it and you may use your mobile and you may just use that app in order to find the information about your SIM card. You can also contact the Ortel mobile number customer service as the given number on my screen right now. That is 0177 177 1138. The customer hotline is available from Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and Saturday to Sunday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. So make sure to contact during those hours, and when you contact them, you should be able to provide your personal customer code to the service representative. If you don't have the PUK one, you can request it by sending the prepaid order from the Telefonica Germany GmbH and cooperation.org. So just follow the steps and you should be able to find your Ortel phone number in Germany just by following the steps. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.